Hi guys, I'm Ree and today we're gonna talk about how to travel local in 2021. So, as some of you might know, I actually own a travel agency business. It's called Survey Escapes and Holidays, and I hope you can like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. So, we've been running this business since 2017, and although since the pandemic struck, we've been really badly affected. Every one of us in the tourism industry, that is. But lately, since things are starting to improve already, I'm happy to let you know that we're going to resume our operations. We're gonna kick off our operations in the 3 top destinations of the Philippines, namely Boracay, Coron, and Siargao. So let's talk about the requirements for travel. We only have 3 simple steps actually. Step 1, book your round-trip transportation. So if you're going to Visayas or Mindanao, of course you need a flight ticket for that. So you can book this online or through your travel agent like me. But if you're traveling local, like going to Baguio or Zambales, you just need a proof of ticket for the land transportation. Or if you're using a car, maybe you can just give the ORCR of that. Step 2, book your hotel accommodation. And of course, not just any accommodation, it needs to be DOT-accredited, so you will be allowed to enter the destination of your choice. Actually, I checked the DOT website and it's really hard to find a master list of all these accredited hotels. So basically what we do as a travel agent, we search for it for every destination. And of course, I want to help you with that. So I'll put in a list in our website and I hope you can check it. And I hope it helps you. Step 3, get swabbed. So you need to schedule your appointment beforehand and you need to get swabbed, and of course you need to wait for the results and it needs to be negative before you are allowed to board the flight. Of course, I know it's really hard to find a really inexpensive way to get your test result. So I would recommend that you go to the Tourism Board of the Philippines, TPB, and they are subsidizing 50% of the cost of the special rate of 2 hospitals in the Philippines. They have Philippine Children's Medical Center and also in the PGH, which is Philippine General Hospital in UP Manila. So actually, to get the discounted rate, you need to apply for it online. So I will link down below the link on where to apply. Basically, you just need all these requirements like the round-trip transportation and also the accommodation with the DOT-accredited hotel. And you need to upload your identification, like an ID, 2 valid IDs, and just click on enter and wait for the result if you have been approved or you have been rejected. I did this for myself already and it's just a very quick process. Within 1 hour, you will know if you have been rejected or you have been approved. Some of the people I know have been rejected and that's because they booked with a non-DOT accredited hotel. Basically, that's one of the reasons why. So it's really important to get a DOT accredited hotel so you can enjoy these perks and also so you won't go all through the trouble when you enter the destination of your choice. So PCMC, I think it's only 750 pesos, and for PGH it's 950 pesos. The rate is different. I think it's because of the negotiation between the hospital and TPB. I might make a video about the application for subsidy, so why don't you comment down below if you want that and I'll do it for you. So that's it guys. Ganun lang kasimple. 3 simple steps. So let's review. You need a round-trip transportation. You need a hotel booking with an accredited hotel and also negative swab test. Aside from these 3 simple steps, actually, you might need to check the LGU website before your flight. I think Coron requires you to register 24 hours before the flight and download their contact tracing app. It's also true for Boracay and for Siargao. They also need the contact tracing app for their tourists. Basically, that's it. I hope you enjoy your vacation. It's a well-deserved vacation. We've been in our homes for 1 year already, and I hope soon, because the vaccines being rolled out, I hope everything goes back to normal already. Yun lang guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel.